What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Nike Dunk Low Championship Red. Let's go.
All right, so looking at these in hand, these things are crazy to look at. Personally, I love everything about this Dunk Low colorway, and I would definitely wear this shoe. But that's my first impressions. What about you? What do you think, Landon?
Yeah, it's definitely not a bad look. I do like the Dunk Low model preferred to the Dunk High, but you got that basic white and red color scheme. Not really any other colors at play here, so not a bad look for these. But what are you gonna rate this shoe? 1 to 5?
I'm going to rate it a 4 out of 5 for me. Personally, it is just another Dunk Low, so that's why I'm going to ding it a little bit. But I do love everything about this. I love the color blocking. The quality's there like a typical Dunk. And yeah, so that's why I'm going to lock it in at a 4 out of 5. What's your rating?
Yeah, so I'm going to give these a 3 out of 5 for me. I mean, the color blocking isn't actually my favorite on this shoe, although it is pretty standard for what Nike Dunks normally use. But just the overall color scheme, the white and the red, it looks pretty good, but it's not my favorite. So I'm not going to get over the top, go too high on my rating. I'm just going to leave these at a 3 out of 5. But that's actually going to wrap up our unboxing for the Nike Dunk Low Championship Red. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And feel free to rate them yourself. 1 to 5. But until next time,
Peace.